Okay, and the final app that we're going to talk about today is Bold Upsell. And this is a great app to increase the average order value of each potential consumer that comes through your website. Effectively, what this app is going to let you do, and actually, before I dive in, I do have an in-depth video on my page about this. I will also link this in the description, so be sure to check that out as well. But the great thing that this app is going to let you do is upsell and cross-sell based on specific products that people are looking to purchase. So what this is going to look like is when somebody decides to, in this example, put a bag of coffee into their cart, we can deploy a pop-up that says, something like, don't run out of filters, add a pack of filters to your order for $3, okay? And just by simply displaying that pop-up, we have the potential to add an additional $3 to that order. So whatever this is, if you're selling jewelry and you have a necklace and a matching bracelet, you could do something like that. Or if you're selling accessories like sunglasses and hats or something like that, whatever it is, you can pair products in this way to kind of help people shop for them. You kind of think ahead of what your consumer may need with the products that they're purchasing. And so the great thing about this app is it allows you to upsell or cross-sell. So the difference between upselling is somebody in this, it's laid out right here. Somebody puts a 1-pound bag of coffee into their cart, and we can ask them, do you want to make it a 2-pound bag of coffee for this discounted price at a limited time? And so, for example, somebody may have been purchasing this 1-pound bag of coffee for $10, and we're going to try and upsell this 2-pound bag of coffee for $17, but originally this 2-pound bag of coffee cost $22, for example. We just increased that average order by about $7, and that's awesome. So that's what upsells looks like. It's going to be replacing a more expensive product for the product that they've already chosen. The cross-sell is adding additional products that will also increase the average order value. So the 1-pound bag of coffee with the coffee mug and the coffee filters, we're adding additional products, okay? So we're thinking for our consumer what they might also need. If you're buying coffee, you might need a coffee mug. And if you're buying coffee, you're probably going to be making coffee, so you probably are going to need coffee filters. So let's think for our consumers and try to give them exactly what they need at the exact right time to increase our revenue, our sales, and ultimately the satisfaction of our customers.